Hey, what is up, guys? Open Bonds here. Today, we're switching things up from the normal videos. We have a conspiracy Magic the Gathering pack, and we're just gonna open it up right now. Let's just jump right in. Oh. Oh. Hey, mind giving me a hand? Mind giving me a hand with these, actually? Mind giving me a hand? Alright.
I know how it is with those gloves, you know. That's tough for me. Oh, I don't want to rip the cards.
Hey man, what's your name? Alright, here, man.
My name? I'm a monkey scrotum.
Alright, guys.
And let's begin.
First up, we have Enclave Elite. Alright, you see that good? Yeah? Oh, yeah. Alright. Stave Off. Oh, that's a pretty nice painting. Check that out.
Pretty color. It's a nice card.
Dude, Dream Fracture. That is nice. Mana Geyser. That's pretty nice. Shoreline Butthole. Classic. Necromantic Titties. I've never seen that one before, but it looks pretty cool. Elvish Aberration. Okay. Guardian Zendikon.
It's a pretty good
Moment
card.
of Heroism. Tyrant's Nipples. Jesus. Need to get a heal card so I could get over that cold. Alright, next we have Sky Spirit. Vampire Hex Mage.
Let's check that one out real quick.
Yeah, get a nice close up.
Cleavage.
Yeah,
cleavage.
yeah.
Pretty nice.
Alright, next
Kind
card.
of boner.
Gamekeeper. Silent Arbiter. That's pretty nice. See that? That's pretty nice. Yeah. Alright. Oh! Oh! We got a holographic. Check this, check this. Cogwork Spy. Holographic. Can you see that? Oh yeah, you could see that. Oh yeah. And
It's a legendary.
we just have a nice little sign-up card, and that'll wrap things up. Thank you. What's your name again?
It's monkey scrotum.
Alright, I'll make sure to put them in the description, guys, and as always, suck fat balls.
Thank you.